friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I would like to show you how to change File Explorer default option from Quick Access to this PC. As you can see, I click on the File Explorer and it opens the Quick Access bar. For this, to change it to this PC, first open this PC and click on the view icon here. Go to the option settings and change this option File Explorer to this PC and click OK. Then quit this, and now you can see when I click on the File Explorer it opens the PC. This is the shortest way, simple, easy way to change the File Default Explorer from Quick Access to this PC. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to watch more interesting videos. Good luck.